unboxing the KYT NFR Super Mario Edition. So this one I actually saw it before, but I never really have it in my hands. So ICC stickers always caught inside already, so no stickers, it's already in there. So this is the Mario Kart edition. So you have the vent on top, vent on the side. You don't have a vent here because, yeah, this is what I love about this helmet, this one. So I had NFR before, and I was using it until they gave me an NX race. Then I was like, okay, let's use the NX race only. But still a good helmet. I think this is probably the best for commuter because you have the double visor, so it's very nice. The design look good. Yeah, special force. So the inside is the same as the TT also. I think now they just like it's very the same. All the new helmet has the same pad inside, so it's the same quality whether you buy a TT course. Probably a bit, I don't know actually. I think it's the same. It looks really the same compartment. So whether you buy a TT course or NFR, KYT always have the same inside, so always comfortable, always nice. Yeah, nice, good looking. Apart from KYT helmet, we also have TT course dark visor, Vendetta dark visor. We also have motul gear oil for scooter, motul scooter oil 3000 plus 10W40, and the 5100. We have Repro anti-fogs, funnel and chain brush available, so you just have to check in the link in this description for eClaw by MANILA on Facebook and just send us a message.